In a volatile economic environment, the fundamentals of sound investment management do not change. At Trobe Financial, we have long preached our 3 golden rules of investing: simplicity, diversification, and patience. 3 golden rules which have proven to work again and again for investors across all economic cycles. Our first golden rule: simplicity, and the structure of any investment magnifies its results. We place simplicity at the heart of our strategies. They are transparent, intuitive, and easy to understand, recognizing the importance of matching assets with liabilities, controlling and actively managing for risk, and delivering consistency in the outcome for investors. Our second golden rule: diversification, recognizing that the performance of the assets in a portfolio drive the investment outcome for investors. At Trobe Financial, our $9.5 billion credit fund has a range of offerings to meet the return and duration profile of many investors. Each of our portfolio accounts have never failed to return a cent of investors' capital, have paid each monthly distribution rate at the advertised rate in full, and repaid every investment at maturity on time and in full. It's a track record that reflects the premise on which we established our portfolio accounts: that a diversified portfolio of high quality, highly granular mortgage assets performs across the cycle, and that fundamental belief is as strong now as ever before. We have long spoken about the importance of diversification in the construction of our portfolios, and those portfolios have been built with discipline over time, with the careful selection of granular asset exposures diversified across sector, loan size, borrower type, and security location. In fact, our credit fund of $9.5 billion comprises 12,640 loans with an average loan amount of $695,000, an average loan to value ratio of 64.8%. Geographically, our assets follow the population, ensuring they remain within the broadest and deepest markets. Our asset bias sits towards the stability of the residential asset class, with targeted exposure into commercial, light industrial, rural, vacant land, and development finance. Combined, these assets deliver portfolio accounts that at all times have delivered their advertised distribution rates to investors, month after month, year after year, irrespective of the market or the macroeconomic environment we have operated within. Consider the remarkable performance of the 12-month term account reflected in the chart on the screen now. Consider the GFC period. Consider the COVID pandemic period. Consider the roller coaster of volatility across the last 12 months. Then consider the consistency in that dark blue line that transcends the page. 10 months into the fastest rate hiking cycle in our history, and our careful and disciplined approach to the selection of granular assets leaves our portfolios incredibly well placed, with arrears at the low end of our usual arrears band, with arrears actually having improved in February. Our third golden rule is patience, highlighted by the old axiom, getting rich slowly never goes out of fashion. Patience speaks to ensuring that investment portfolios are positioned to stand the test of time. It also speaks to ensuring those portfolios are being managed by a manager who has experienced moments of market volatility and stress, and has demonstrated their ability to guide portfolios through volatility while delivering impeccable performance. At Trobe Financial, we put the customer at the heart of everything we do, but we take that commitment a step further with a simple acknowledgement. We are managing our investors' hard-earned money, and ultimately, our investors will want it back. At Trobe Financial, our 500 fully trained staff are led by a team of professionals with deep industry experience. A group of professionals who are immensely proud of our impeccable performance across 3 decades of managing the credit fund, including that no investor has ever lost a cent of capital in our portfolio accounts. A group of professionals who are driven to ensuring that experience is repeated for decades to come. Fueled by our commitment to our strong investment fundamentals, we are pleased to be announcing a further increase to our portfolio investment rates effective 1 April 2023 to the rates on screen now. Thank you for watching our monthly portfolio summary. If you have any queries, please call our friendly asset management team on 1800 818 818.